What's the meaning of beefeater? Beefeater. Beefeater.
Beefeater. Beefeater. Beefeater is a term commonly used to refer to the yeoman warders of the Tower of London, who are responsible for guarding the tower and its treasures. The name beefeater has been associated with this group of guards since the early 19th century, and there are several theories as to how the name came about. One theory suggests that it originates from the fact that these guards were traditionally given a daily ration of beef by the monarch. However, another theory suggests that the name may have come from their elaborate Tudor uniforms, which were made of wool, silk, and velvet and were said to resemble those worn by beefeaters, or butchers, of the time.